Hey guys, welcome back to another quick inform video. In today's video, we're actually talking about a really good offer with iPhone and Cricket. So as you can see, they talk about the SE and the XR. They actually are pretty decently priced, actually really good price right now with Cricket Wireless. So if you guys don't know who Cricket Wireless is, well, I'm telling you, they use AT&T's network, so you can check out their plans and everything. But you're basically using AT&T's network. So if AT&T is good in your area, then there will be good as well. So it says iPhone SE 64 gigabytes for $0. Lots of power, less to spend. It says online only, requires new accounts. So you have to get a new account to get this iPhone SE 64 gigs for $0. So, and you can only do this online, it says. So cannot go in store, I'm guessing, but you know what it is. It says requires new account and purchase of 3 months of $60 a month plan. So you have to purchase their unlimited plan, which is $60 a month, guys. You have to purchase 3 months worth of that. So it's $180 for that, which is still not bad for an SE. And like I say, you're getting 3 months of service. It says first 3 months of service charge and taxes due at sale. Account will remain subscribed to $60 a month plan for 3 months. Restrictions do apply. So basically, the account will be, well, saying it will be subscribed for their $60 a month plan for 3 months. After that, you can change it. But like I said, this is the iPhone SE 64 gigs for $0, which is not bad at all. That's actually a good deal for the phone. That's pretty sweet. So of course, everybody knows the SE. More details you can kind of see here. It's just telling you about, basically says requires new account, excludes upgrades and AT&T ports, must activate on minimum $60 a month plan, voice and data plans. Pay first 3 months of $60 a month plan service, which is like I said $180 total at the point of sale, plus device taxes. $60 will be applied to first month service charge. Remaining $120 will be credited to your account and applied to second and third month service unless used other eligible services and features. Whoops, sorry, let me turn off that. Of course, it's going to tell you, that remaining 120, once you use 60 of it, that remaining 120 will be credited to your account for the next 2 months of service. 60/60, that's 120. You can well, let's talk about the return policy. There is a return policy within 7 days. Up to a $25 fee may apply. So I guess like a restocking fee might actually apply towards that, guys. So just be wary. It says eliminated 2 phones per customer. General may not be combined with certain offers, discounts, or credits. New line pricing is available to customers once every 180 days. It's pretty cool. Now let's look at the XR, which is something they really don't advertise here. You actually just have to go to phones. And there it is. There is the iPhone XR, guys. As you can see, not bad at all. So let's go ahead and click on it. Pretty sweet. It says switch and save. Get iPhone XR 64 gigs for $50, guys. Yep. So you can get this phone for only $50 when you pay for 3 months on the $60 a month plan today. So not bad at all. That's a really good deal, like I said. So if you pay 3 months of service, same thing, $180, you will get this phone for $50, guys. That's a really good deal. Like I said, this phone I think retails for $300 maybe. We'll see in a little bit. But for an iPhone XR, still very good phone. I mean, it was like, maybe 2 years ago, the top selling, I think, phone, at least for the price point. So it's very good. Now let's see what they have. They have the white, looks like the black, and the yellow. So pretty cool. I'll personally get the white one. I already actually have this phone as one of my personal phones. iPhone XR white. So if remember, you have to be a new customer. If you're a current customer, wow, it's actually $400. So this phone is $400, guys. You're saving $350 when you get this promotion because, well, a little bit less than that. But technically, you're on the phone, you're saving $350. So they're saying this phone retails for $400, which is not bad at all. But like I said, if you're a new customer, if you're switching to Cricket, or you want to, or you need a new number, it's gonna be $400. So there's another caveat there. I guess you have to switch or port your number into Cricket, and you have to buy 3 months of service to get this deal, guys. You cannot just start a new line with Cricket, get a new number. It has to switch over from a competing carrier. Cannot be, of course, AT&T related, because that wouldn't work. And then, of course, this says you want to take it. It'll say, I'll take an iPhone XR 64 gigs for $50 and pay for 3 months of the $6 a month plan. Not bad at all. Switch and save when you bring your number. So there it is. Like I said, you're going to read the fine print, guys, and here's the fine print. Let's see if I can blow it up. There we go. So it says $49.99 iPhone XR offer. Ends 12/2/21. Requires a new line and a new account. Excludes upgrades and AT&T ports. Pay first 3 months of the $6 a month plan. Service $180, like I said, I was telling you, at point of sale plus device taxes. $60 will be applied for the first month, and then of course the remaining $120 will be credited to the account. Be applied to the second and third month service unless used on other eligible service plan. The plan will remain on the $60 monthly plan for 3 months. Credits will be lost if service is canceled. Credit is not redeemable for cash, has no cash value, of course, and same thing, return within 7 days. Up to a $25 fee may apply. So it says see cricketwireless.com and fees and all that stuff. Limited 2 per customer, not bad at all. Actually, that's not a bad deal at all for these 2 phones, guys. So yeah, it's honestly, I would probably, if you don't have an iPhone, you're getting your first iPhone, and let's say you're switching from a competing carrier like Boost or Metro by T-Mobile, this would be a good promotion to actually pick up. I'm kind of enticed to check it out, so who knows. Thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. If you want to help the channel, check out Honey. Honey is a free web browser extension that finds you the best promo codes. I just got $20 for buying stuff with it, because you do get a cashback offer on Boost, and I believe on Cricket as well. So check them out. It's totally free. You save money because it finds you coupons like this. Like I said, it will be everything in the description below. So Dragon Warfare signing off, guys. More things to come your way. And yeah, let me know. Would you be excited to get the iPhone SE, or do you want to get the iPhone XR? Like I said, for me personally, the SE 2020 is newer than the XR, but I would go with the XR just because of the bigger battery and bigger screen. I know the SE has a better processor and this and that, but like I said, I'd rather have a bigger screen to watch videos and stuff like that. So not bad at all. So a lot more content coming your ways, guys. The holidays, it's a busy time right now, so check it out and stay tuned. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks so much. And like I said, let me know in the comments below what phone you would think you would get personally and what carrier you're switching from. Thank you.